Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Max eGift card. First, locate the email containing your eGift card. It will typically include a 16-digit card number and a 4-digit PIN. These details are crucial for both online and in-store purchases. Make sure to have them readily accessible before you begin shopping. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring a smooth and successful redemption process for your next purchase at Max stores or their online platform. Let's get started with the basics. Before making a purchase, it's always a good idea to check your eGift card balance. You can easily do this by visiting the official Max website or opening their mobile application. Look for the Check Gift Card Balance option, usually found in the footer or customer service section. Input your 16-digit card number and the 4-digit PIN. The system will then display your current balance and the card's expiration date, which is typically valid for 1 year from the date of issue. This ensures you know exactly how much you have to spend. Redeeming your Max eGift card is straightforward, whether you're shopping online or in store. For online purchases, simply proceed to checkout and select gift card as your payment method. Enter the 16-digit card number and PIN when prompted. In store, present the eGift card email, either printed or on your mobile device, to the cashier. The card's value will be applied to your purchase. If your total exceeds the card's value, you can pay the remaining amount using another accepted payment method, making your shopping experience seamless. It's important to be aware of a few key terms and conditions for your Max eGift card. Generally, these cards are valid for a period of 12 months from the date of activation. Remember, eGift cards cannot be exchanged for cash, nor can they be reloaded with additional funds. Always treat your card number and PIN with the same care as physical cash to prevent unauthorized use. If you encounter any issues or accidentally lose your card details, promptly contact Max customer service for assistance. Enjoy your shopping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.